shaking since I left you guys, man.
Have you been literally shit out of luck?
Literally.
Breakfast again at my favorite little market square lady. Buenos días, señorita. ¿Cómo está? Muy bien. Sí. Y claro, hoy otra vez tengo hambre. So I just always mix up my coffee, do my thing around here, get the water. She cooks something up for Bricky. Muchas historias en la vida. No, dona Ana. Pasó mucho, ¿eh? Pasa mucho. Esta señorita vivió una vida rica aquí de Bolivia. Yeah, I stumbled on this lady when I was looking for a breakfast place, and I've been there now every morning. And she's one of those people with a spark, you know. Today talked all about her history and when she was young out here, you know. I think during the 70s, and you know the stories of young love, Spanish lover, gringo lover later, and staying out here to support her mother with the shop, while back then she could have been whiskered away at 18, 19, you know. And later she ended up having her own family here with a Bolivian. But, you know, she tells me about times how it could have been completely different, but how she never really could let go of the place, of the region. That's the way life goes. So I've been a week and a half here in Colchani now, entry to the Salt Lake. I've been trying to move on for the last few days. Posted a video today, and I swore I was gonna go today, but it has just been a lazy day. Look at that, I got my boots on. I got my pants, look at my salty boots. I always got tequila salt on me. The bag is packed, tank bag's ready to go. But it's 4 o'clock. Gotta fuel up. I gotta get oil in Uyuni, buy some food, go to the bank, and then before you know it, it's like 5:30 or something, and I ride off with what? Hour of real daylight left. Oh, no, not yet. Tomorrow, I swear, I'll have everything packed up and we'll be on the move again, and I don't want to take the tarmac road to Cochabamba. Gonna hit the mountains around Potosi, so it's gonna be nice. Probably rainy too, because I always see clouds over the mountains. That's where I'm going. I could stick to the tarmac road here by the lake and have at least half the ride of 800 Ks, smooth sailing, nice weather and tarmac, but I'd rather pick a nice fun road through the mountains, because there are plenty. This morning we're actually packing up, like I said, leaving the Donald Duck Hotel. See if I maybe meet Julio in Uyuni. I have to run some errands there, since after he left he got the shitters and he's been recovering there. A little brekkie maybe. Señor Félix, me voy.
Okay.
¿Crees que voy ahora? ¿Hoy?
Sí.
Hoy me voy.
Ay. Vemos.
Ya. Cuídese mucho, Pedro.
Vaya bien.
A usted igual.
Chao, niña. Chao.
Ya, Pedro, cuídese mucho. Anda con calma, la ciudad es igual.
Gracias, Félix. Bye bye. And we're back in Uyuni. Let's see if Julio's still around. What's going on here?
I have been suffering since I left you guys, man.
Have you been literally shit out of luck?
Literally, dude. I think I lost like 10 pounds.
That's good. That's nice. You know?
Yeah,
That's,
but
you gotta
I'm
look
definitely dehydrated.
look at the upside of it.
So what have you been up to the last 3 days?
I finished a video and then I wanted to go yesterday, and then it's like I just left it too late. And I was
I
like,
tried to leave yesterday, but I was weak, man. I couldn't, dude. Just moving my bike around, I was like about to pass out. So.
Shit. And did you get the bolts?
Yes, I got.
You get them drilled out?
No, I got 4.
Those are some high tension bolts too, I think.
Fuck if I know.
Yeah.
How do you know if they're high tension? If they're black?
No, I like the 8.8, and then there's higher categories.
Oh, 8.8.
How's breakfast here?
I just had an orange juice just now.
Yeah.
Because, you know, I found like, usually every time I drink something, my stomach goes. But this time I like drank it, I'm like, nothing happened.
Shit,
Okay.
man, something
I
fucked
feel
you
good.
up.
Yeah. This is probably the sickest I've been this whole trip.
Yeah.
I had flu and stuff, but this was like.
Yeah, it was bound to happen at some point. If you come to Bolivia, it's like going to Bali. It's just
From bed to bathroom.
fetus position shitters.
Exactly.
Yeah. Nice.
You eating yet?
Uyuni fun. No, I haven't.
Alright, let me go get I gotta take my shit out of the room.
Get low on gas. Let's park him up a bit closer.
Okay.
I like to have an eye on it. Look. Yeah. Feeling in control?
No, actually not at all. I feel winded.
I'll help you out.
I don't know, man. I feel pretty fucking.
I guess that's something to take maybe up in the debate, you know. Lighter motorcycle, heavier motorcycle. When you're sick, they get heavy. Julio's actually having some solid food today.
So good.
Good on ya.
So hungry.
So we stumbled on Robin, the chap from the salt flats, if you remember, and he has a bolt to drill out. So we're going to go to this place. He has a workshop, and he probably has some oil that I can use on my air filter, and maybe I'll tune the car. We'll see. Funny how you just always come across people in this small world. How's it going? That wasn't an intentional honk, that was a big fat tank case.
No, I thought it was believable.
Turning around honk.
Yeah.
We're respecting the neighborhood.
I have to stay.
There you go.
Nice.
Casa de
Cool
Robin. I'll let the big fat one come through first. See, you found my forks. I've been looking for those.
They used to look a bit skinny, didn't they?
A bit old school.
What are they, like 25mm?
I have no clue. They're from '91. But that's the only mod that I really want still. Just put it inside, mate.
Okay.
They're 48, somewhere around 52s, you know?
Yeah, I think the 48, 52 can do, but then you have to come with the clamps and the wheel and
The angles and everything. Go on,
Right.
go on. You're an idiot. Go on. Get behind it.
Well, thanks for having us this noon, Robin.
Yeah.
All right. Cheers.
On that.
Yeah, that's feeling real good.
This is our church.
Jesus.
We used to have pews down here and an automated salt here, and all the windows used to be gold and had a pointed roof with a cross on it.
Really?
And we bought it, it had been abandoned 10 years. And we left the church as it was and just added on around it, but yeah.
It's a bit of a religious place then.
Yeah, now it's a church to motorcycles. This is where we keep the fleet.
Bloody nice.
About half an hour.
There's the kettle.
They never go in the rubbish. Someone will come along within 5 minutes and take it and keep it.
Absolutely. Like the amount of secondhand tires I've run. One of my favorite tires was the Aniki 3 that I found in Ulaanbaatar. It was half used. I rode it until the canvas until I was almost done with Japan after that. It's one of my favorite road tires today. I had absolute trust in it. It was so good in the rain too. Here she is, the filter. And I was considering for oil or chain lube. And then I looked online. There's people who even use canola oil.
Yeah, anything. All the oil is there for is just to stick
Catch
the
it,
dust
right?
to it as it goes through. I use anything that's left over.
Also read the transmission fluid, like you said. You're gonna put this on a filter. Oh.
This one right here, and that one's, I guess it's fell off, but this one's broke off in that one. Or this one's de-threaded or whatever. We really want to clean it. Yeah, get some gasoline here and clean it here, and then we can see what we're up against.
Hell yeah.
Just a little bit more.
Give it that Texan squeeze, boy.
There it is.
Here we go. Roughneck.
Alright.
Not coming? It's time for some proper mechanics. Today, custom tool making. Okay, get in there and... Tighten it a bit more. So, extraction didn't work. Plan B now.
And I thought, what the hell's going on? 2 seconds later, it sounded like someone turned the shower on. Oh, goodness. Yeah, it's muy duro, eh, Marcelo? Yeah.
Me siento más suave. It's a rough one, but it's happening.
But this was his one, and he went on to win the Dakar Rally that year.
That's Toby
you know,
Price's scroll.
Yeah, this was his first Dakar win. He won again this year. Winter Posket can ride. He can really ride motocross.
People really appreciate the work he's done because people complain a lot about the coverage of Dakar.
Yeah.
And they say you get an inside look.
Yeah, Linton Posket was great. He showed you how they set up camp, how they move, how they do everything. A lot of inside information, which makes it a lot more interesting.
Yeah, but you know, he was, let's say, only participating in the Malamoto, you know, which is kind of you can participate, but it's not in the top tier. But he was absolutely broken, absolutely knackered. Absolutely.
Yeah, this year they've changed
I haven't
it.
seen anything this year, so I don't know how it went.
Malamoto.
They took it out.
It's called original class.
Okay.
Now. If I would do the Dakar, that would be the class I would do. It would probably kill me.
How much does it cost to get into Dakar?
$25,000 entrance fee.
I'm going to throw a name out there, and that's the fella that helped me out in Northern Australia. Said, use my garage, went riding, awesome bloke. Keep an eye out for the name Will Cool.
Will Cool.
Yeah, so Will Cool. I'm just putting the pressure on, mate, because that means, you know, I know you want to work towards the Dakar and you want to make it happen. So I'm already ahead of you, spreading the word a little bit. But
you need a minimum of
$70,000. He was saying
$75,000 to do it on a really bad scale.
Do you win money if you win the top three? No.
No, it's all about because you want to
You get a
participate in the
trophy.
most awesome thing that you can do on a motorbike.
But he's got a Dakar trophy. An original Dakar trophy.
Wow.
Because he worked with the Dakar when they came here. He was fixing bikes in the night, welding up chassis on quad bikes and that. And the Dakar organisation, to show their appreciation, gave him a Dakar trophy.
Yeah.
Nice
And he
work,
won't
Mota.
sell it to me.
That's awesome.
Yeah, can you believe that?
¿Dónde tienes tu,
Yeah.
how do you say trophy in Spanish?
Trophy. Tú tienes trofeo de Dakar, see?
¿Y dónde
Yeah,
tienes en tu
original,
casa?
yeah.
Wow.
Yo quiero. ¿Cuántas cuestas?
Well, we got drilled out.
Tap
Now-
it now.
Think we might have a Fred there, sir. Marcellus put a whole lot of love and hate. No, I didn't see any hate. Pure love. Patience. And after all that awesome painstaking work, it's back on. Drop it. That's it. How it looks. Ooh, sturdy as again. Hi, mate. Thanks heaps.
What is it, Well, welcome. It's been a
Thanks for that,
pleasure.
mate. I'll,
So what is your YouTube channel?
Pedro Mota, M-O-T-A.
Pedro Mota. Yeah, if you're passing through, come and check us out and have a chat with us or whatever, yeah?
For sure.
And if you see other people on the road and they want help or difficulty, just point them my way. We're quite happy.
This way. Go see Robin. He'll slag you off in the beginning, but it's okay.
Sarcasm, you Americans call it, but we call it censorship. Yeah.
Alright. Well, I've updated your location, so.
See you next time.
Well, mate, real pleasure.
Yep, see you too.
See you around next time.
Take it easy.
I'll be back. Gracias, Marcelo. Go! All right, ladies first. Keep going, keep going. Woo-hoo. I got you. Whoa, come on. You got it. that looks sketch for a second there. A little bouncy. Oh, slippery ground.
I know, I need something to put.
Yeah. I think you're good with the side stand. Just go for it.
Hey peoples, if you like the videos, please consider supporting the channel, since it takes considerable time to make these. With your help, I can sit down and consistently make new episodes. Check out the link in the description. Thanks!